Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear grade 6 students, hello again. I am Ahmed Al Farahati and I wish you all the best of everything. Today, inshallah, we will study Unit 4 Great Explorers, Lesson 1. Please open your class book to page 32. This page. What are the aims of this lesson? Let's check. Unit 4 Great Explorers. Lesson 1. Class book pages 32 and 33. Activities 1, 2, and 3. The aims. In this lesson, students will read for specific information. Answer WH questions after reading an email. Listen for specific information. Let's go to page 32 of your class book. Unit 4 Great Explorers. Dear students, from the title of the unit, and if you look through the unit, if you look at the pictures, for example here, we have some explorers. Okay? This means in this unit we will study more about explorers. We will talk about them and we will write about them. Let's go to activity 1. Yes. Look and answer. Look at these 7 questions. Read the first 4 questions before you read the email. Now, read the email and try and find the answers. You have here 4 questions, and here we have 3 other questions. That means we have 7 questions. You are asked to read the first 4 questions before you read the email. Then, read the email and try to find the answers. Let's read the questions. 1. Who is the email to? 2. What is Paul doing in school now? 3. What information does he want? 4. What was Paul doing last night? Let's read the email and try to find the answers. To ahmed@ikc.com. From paul@ikc.com. Subject: Great Explorers. Dear Ahmed, how are you? Have you had any more exciting adventures since your trip to the desert with David and your brother? Do you remember this story? At the moment, I am doing a project in school about great explorers. It's really interesting. Have you got any information about explorers you could send to help me with my project? It's funny, but yesterday, while I was doing my homework, a television program came on all about explorers. My mom recorded it for me. I am going to watch it this afternoon to see if it has any useful information in it. Next week, I am going to watch my favorite football team, Manchester United, playing in London. I hope they win. If you've got any information about explorers that you could send me, that would be great. Thanks for your help. Bye for now, Paul. Dear students, you are asked to underline any difficult words and look them up at any dictionaries in order to know and understand the meaning. Now, take your time to answer these questions, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. I'll write the answers in order to check yours. 1. Who is the email to? Excellent. it's to Ahmed. 2. What is Paul doing in school now? Yes, he is doing a project about great explorers. Yes, a project about great explorers. Thank you. 3. What information does he want? Yes, he wants information about explorers for his project. Yes, let me write here. Information. He wants information about explorers for his project. 4. What was Paul doing last night? Yes, excellent. He was doing his homework. Okay. Thank you. Now, look at the next 3 questions. Read Paul's email again and try and answer these questions. Let's read these questions. 5. What happened while Paul was doing his homework? 6. When is Paul going to watch the television program? 7. What is Paul going to do next week? Now you are asked to read the email again and try to answer these questions. Take your time to do the task, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. I'll write the answers in order to check yours. What happened while Paul was doing his homework? Yes, a television program came on about explorers. Let me write here. A television program came on about explorers. Yes. When is Paul going to watch the television program? Yes, excellent. This afternoon. What is Paul going to do next week? Excellent. He is going to watch his favorite football team, Manchester United, playing in London. So I will write a complete answer. He is going to watch his favorite team What is his favorite team? Yes, excellent. Manchester United. In London, or playing in London. Thank you. Now let's go to page 33, activity 2. Read, think, and answer. What do you know about great explorers? Look at the 4 explorers in the pictures. Do you know any of them? What do you know about them? Can you answer these questions about explorers? Now let's look at the pictures first. This is Christopher Columbus. This is Roald Amundsen. This is Yuri Gagarin. And this is Jacques Cousteau. Do you know any of them? Let's read the questions first. 1. Who was the first man to travel in space? Do you know? I think you know him. Yes, excellent. Thank you. Try to write the answer. 2. Where was Jacques Cousteau from? I can know his nationality from the name Jacques Cousteau. Do you know the answer? I think you know it. 3. What continent did Christopher Columbus discover? Yeah, it's an easy question. 4. When did Roald Amundsen reach the South Pole? Do you know the answer? Now, take your time and try to find the answers. If you know, if you don't know, don't write anything. Then come back to check your answers and to know more about these great explorers. Hello again. I will write the answers in order to check yours. Then we will listen in order to check our answers. Yes, number 1. Who was the first man to travel in space? Excellent. Yuri Gagarin. Number 2. Where was Jacques Cousteau from? Yes, excellent. He was from France. 3. What continent did Christopher Columbus discover? Yes, I think he discovered North America. But we will write America. 4. When did Roald Amundsen reach the South Pole? In 1911. Yes. Now, activity 3. Listen and check. Now listen to Paul's friends talking about the information they have found for their project on great explorers. Let's listen in order to check our answers and in order to know more information about these great explorers.
Tape script 4.2.
Hi Paul, have you got your project work with you?
Yes. Have you?
Yes.
Okay. Shall I tell you what information I found?
Yes, please.
Okay. This is all the information I've found about Christopher Columbus so far. He was born in Italy in 1451. He discovered America in 1492. And he died in 1506.
That's a good start, Paul. Right, I've got some information about Roald Amundsen. He was born in Norway in 1872. He was the first man to reach the South Pole. He and his team arrived there in 1911. He died in 1928. What information have you got, Jill?
Okay, I found some information about Yuri Gagarin. He was born in Russia in 1934. He was the first man in space. He travelled around the Earth in a spaceship called Vostok 1 on the 12th of April 1961.
What about you, Tim? Did you find anything about Jacques Cousteau?
Yes, a little, Okay. He was born in France in 1910. He was a famous underwater explorer. He died in 1997.
Okay. Now, we need to get some more information and some pictures. Where do you think we should look?
Thank you for listening. By this we've achieved the aims of this lesson. Thank you for following me. Goodbye.